Okay, welcome again, everybody. This is Matthew Ash from Trend Capture Futures. Today, I thought I would show you the ES model, seeing as it was such a crazy day on all fronts with all the news that came out and everything about Ireland and everybody thinking Spain and Portugal and whatever. It was just a really crazy day. Just to start out, I want to let you know that all these signals were made in real time, and contrary to what you see most of the time, these signals were actually acted on by the trader. That's me. That developed the system developer and the trader. That's me. I realize it's a novel idea and this time to actually trade what you sell, but then again, I've always cut my own path and usually did a 180 to the prevailing wisdom. So chalk that up for however you want it. Enough about all that. Of course, I have my shameless promotion down here. You can see these signals in real time for the ES, the CL, the QM. If you don't know what the QM is, it's the mini and the crude. The NQ, the 6E, the 6B, the DAX, and the yen model is just about complete. It's about 80% complete. Should be probably complete this week, I would imagine. You can get a 1-week free guest pass at trendcapturefutures.com. There's a little box at the top there that you're going to click. It'll say free trial, and you can come check them out for a week. And let these be your deciding factor on whether this is something for you or not. And don't even get me started on back testing. Okay, the first signal of the day was a double short. So you can see here, double short signals typically lead to extended moves in the signal's direction, and this particular one was no exception, as the pattern definitely laid itself into what it's supposed to do. However, hold on, I'm going to show you an exception to this rule, and it happened today. The second signal of the day was a basic long signal with the 2 green diamonds and the green arrow, and all profit objectives were met on that long. Now, to make matters really simple, don't even worry about the diamonds and don't even worry about 1 or 2 diamonds or whatever. Just if there's an arrow, you take it. That's as simple as I can put it. Now, here is the double long that I was talking about. That is an exception to the rule. When you get this particular type of setup, you would expect a swing move to ensue and prices to continue to move higher. In this case, it didn't happen. However, here's the kicker to this whole thing. You actually had 2 separate trades with 2 separate signals. The first one nailed your first profit target, stopped you out on your second and third at break even. Then you re-entered on your second, and you got your first and second profit targets before the third profit target or your third lot was stopped out at break even. So even though the double long did not produce what it typically does, it still was a very profitable venture. And going on for the rest of the day here, we had the last 2 signals of the day. We had a standard short signal right here, and we had our first and second profit targets were met, and the third position was stopped at break even. And the last signal of the day and the end of a hard day, I'll tell you what, with all those markets acting crazy, it was definitely a hard day. This long signal achieved all of its profit objectives. So it was a good day in the ES, there's no doubt about it. And I especially like the fact that, oh, look at this, more shameless promotion. That's terrible. All these signals were done on the Ninja 6.5 platform. Soon to come, it'll be for the Ninja 7.0 and 6.5. So if you have either or both, you'll be able to run it on all of those. As usual, you can always come visit us for a week in our virtual conference room and see these signals happen in real time. You'll see the arrows actually come up on the screen. You'll hear an audio signal that'll announce that there's a signal there, and as the day progresses, guess what? Those arrows where the signals were will actually stay up on the screen. They won't magically disappear. So that's a breath of fresh air right there. And by this point in the video, I think this is probably the best point. Best of all, when you come, I don't talk that much. I let the models take the spotlight. So if you're interested, go to trendcapturefutures.com and sign up or drop me an email at tradecapture@gmail.com. Not to be confused with Trend Capture. This is tradecapture@gmail.com. And drop me an email. You don't have to send me anything but hello, how are you, conference room, whatever. Just put it down and I'll hook you up. With that being said, I hope everybody have a profitable day tomorrow. I hope you have a profitable day tomorrow. Did I just say that twice? Yes, I did. I hope you had a profitable day today, and you have a profitable day tomorrow. And I look forward to seeing all of you in the virtual conference room, and just take a look at what we got. I think you'll like it. Later.